Multi-billion-dollar corporation Walt Disney stole Freelancer's fan art and is selling it in its park. Speaking of Disney, Disney Plus, MCU, they got no trouble making money. Mm-hmm. It's kind of surprising to see this story where an individual's art, personal art, will be ripped off and then sold as memorabilia inside of Disney. It's a video. You can play it. Well, check this thing out.
Oh, it's a video. Oh.
Disney stole my work. So that's his little 3D sculpture that he made. This is it.
It's really cool.
Yeah, he's showing it to you. There's certain important markings on it, including on the bottom, you see Andrew Martin and his website and the date, 2018, that it was made. It's a very intricate little sculpture, by the way.
What would you, like, it's like
was it 3D printed?
Monster
maybe,
drumming?
and then painted or yeah, that would be my guess. Oh, yeah, because here you can see it's on Thingiverse or something like that. But it specifically says no monetization, no commercial use, right? Now, pause it right here. This is with a Walt Disney stand and a bigger version of his sculpture. And you can see the price tag over there. USD, what does it say?
What was it?
USD
100.
Is it $125? I think.
125, yeah.
That's no joke.
Oof.
No.
Walt Disney World 50, and he's going over every single little marking on it.
Of course. But I don't even think he needs to do that much. This is like so obviously stolen.
Are you pissed?
Yeah, I'd be pissed if I was him.
you.
I'm pissed for him, yeah.
You sound pissed.
Yeah. But I don't even think he needs to go in this much depth.
No, but he wants to be sure because people could be like if he didn't show the website, you'd be like, oh, you posted online. Like, what was the copyright or whatever? Okay, look at this. In this case, it's pretty straightforward. I studied image rights when I was doing my master's in fine arts, so I'll have a go at this. In EU law, which is similar to the US, the general rules as follows. In order for an artwork to be under copyright, seen as legally original, you have to be able to prove the paternity and originality of the artwork. In this case, the design's paternity isn't the 3D artist's. It's Disney's Rolly Crump from 1968. It could be argued that the artwork's originality and paternity reside in being a 3D model, but that would never stand in court as the originality is already a 3D sculpture, and this 3D model is not transformative enough to be seen as original. I'll go so far as to say that freely distributing a model based on someone else's is borderline copyright infringement in the first place. When he says, I didn't want to bother with selling this, it's because he can't. In the first place, Disney would be up his ass with lawyers. It's crummy from Disney not to credit the guy who made the 3D print from an ethical point of view. Yes. Is it legal for them to do so? Also, yes. A lot of people are saying that Disney doesn't have the right to use the product of his labor for commercial purposes, so I looked a little into it, and boy, it's murky waters. Copyright law also protects reproduction in this case. I would argue that this is too close to the original art for it not to be considered reproduction. Wow. So it's from a 1968 movie, I guess, and this guy made his based on that with his own unique touches, it seems.
Yeah.
Disney went on to sell his version with the unique touches, but the original artwork from the 1968 project was what inspired his in the first place. So,
but he didn't copy that artwork. He made his own, but it was interpreted.
But of that character.
Yeah, but he doesn't own he doesn't have enough originality there for it to be a completely new thing that would be protected in any way.
Yeah, that makes sense.
But it doesn't change the fact that it is surprising that Disney would reach to
it's a bad look for them.
A 3D print file from some other guy.
Which is fine.
Print it huge and sell it for $125. That is surprising, isn't it?
It is.
You would think that they would have it, but their lawyers, man, you want to go against Disney lawyers? No. That's the thing. Even if it's relatively murky, this guy's a done deal.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to. They'll turn it right around on you and say you made what and publish what. What you know about this guy? Is that you invent that character? What you think about this Mickey Mouse right here?
It's not Mickey Mouse.
No, but I'm saying.
Yeah, I know.
I'm trying to make it relatable. Everybody knows who Mickey Mouse is.
Yeah.